restricted tunnels. Tunnels they don't want us to know about. She's already inside. We want you to go in and help us find out what's really going on. Let's find out why Gorilla Corp really wants to dig deeper.
Guys, I'm doing this event by myself.
Psst, over here. Did the masked monkey send you? You're not gonna believe what I found down here. Hurry up, follow me.
Why?
Keep moving. We gotta stay ahead of Gorilla Corp. Being a monkey rebel is hard work. Did you make it? I know there should be a button in here somewhere to open the shutter, but it's disabled. Let me see. I'm pretty sure this will do the trick. Got it. You should be able to open it now. Knew they were up to something. You feel that too? And the floating. Weird, right? I knew we couldn't trust Gorilla Corp, but this is worse than I thought. Are there in here? We have to tell every monkey about this.
Intruders!
They found us!
Take the alarm!
You all get out of here. Spread the word. I'll distract them. Harry, get out of here before they catch you. Did you make it? I know there should be a button in here somewhere to open the shutter, but it's disabled. Let me see. I'm pretty sure this will do the trick.
Boom, 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 boom.
Got it. You should be able to open it now. I knew they were up to something, but this is even bigger than I imagined. How many eggs are there in here? We have to tell every monkey about this.
Intruders!
They found us!
Take the alarm!
You all get out of here. Spread the word. I'll distract them. Hurry, get out of here before they catch you.
See? What else are they hiding? Tell everyone. We need to know what they are planning. We need to...
About 32 minutes when I left, and they only was off to be off for 5 minutes.
That was the live event full gameplay.
Oh well, I was.
That was the whole gameplay of the live event. Hope you enjoyed. I kind of was a bit late, so you did miss out the first section, but that's no commentary. So now, see ya.